Hey there. Are you experiencing a strange issue where your Google Play Store only shows movies and TV shows? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix your Google Play Store if it only shows movies and TV shows. With a few tweaks and checks, you'll have your Play Store back to normal in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The simplest issues often stem from connectivity problems. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Confirm that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try refreshing your connection by toggling your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on. If possible, switch to a different network to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Clear Google Play Store cache and data. Clearing the cache and data for the Google Play Store can resolve a variety of problems. Head to your device's settings, scroll down and select Apps or Application Manager. Locate and tap Google Play Store. Choose Storage and then tap Clear Cache. If clearing the cache doesn't help, tap Clear Data. Note that this will reset the app and may require re-entering your Google account credentials. Step 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can also cause issues with Play Store access. Go to Settings on your device. Tap Date and Time. Select Automatic Date and Time and ensure it's set correctly. Step 4. Update Google Play Store. Sometimes an outdated version of the Play Store can lead to problems. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll to the bottom and check the current version of the Play Store. If an update is available, it will automatically start updating when you navigate to this section. Step 5. Check device compatibility. Ensure your device meets the necessary requirements for the Play Store's full functionality. Review your device's specs and compare them to the Google Play Store requirements. Ensure that both the Google Play Store and Google Play services are installed and up to date. Step 6. Reset Google account. If none of the previous steps have worked, try removing and re-adding your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts. Select your Google account and tap Remove Account. Restart your device. Return to Accounts and tap Add Account to re-add your Google account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Google Play Store if it only shows movies and TV shows. Whether it's checking your internet connection, clearing app data, or ensuring your device settings are correct, these solutions cover all bases. Remember, staying patient and following each step carefully can help resolve this issue effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and may your Play Store once again be filled with all the apps and games you love. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips.